warning for southern Mercer County in northwestern Pennsylvania, southwestern Van Angle County in northwestern Pennsylvania, northwestern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, until 8:45 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen, with an additional 0.75 to 1.50 inches of additional rainfall expected. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
You didn't go off, did you?
Radar.
No.
Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Newcastle, Hermitage, Grove City, Slippery Rock, New Riverton, Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, Mercer, Pulaski, Bessemer, New Bedford, Harrisville, West Middlesex, Queen Grove Township, South Newcastle, Pleasantville, West Liberty, Hollingsburg, Barksville, and Burroughs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles.
Oakwood, Newcastle Northwest, Mercer, Pulaski, Bessemer, New Bedford, Harrisville, West Middlesex.
Doubleheader!
Weather bulletin. For the following counties in Pennsylvania, Butler and Lawrence. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lawrence County in western Pennsylvania, northern Butler County in west central Pennsylvania, until 6:30 p.m.
Alright.
At 5:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Slippery Rock or 8 miles east of Newcastle, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations.
Oh, that's copyright.
Shatner Northview, Slippery Rock, Chicora, Harrisville, Parker, Plain Grove Township, Bruin, West Liberty, Eau Claire, Thomasburg, Porterville, and Petrolia. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1138, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
Until 8:45 p.m. At 5:43 p.m., radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen, with an additional 0.75 to 1.50 inches.
Okay, that's done.